In a recent article in Foodnetwork.com, noted bread baker and pizza maker Peter Reinhardt shared 4 tips to make perfect pizza dough at home. Peter has written a number of books about pizza and baking, including the classic American Pie, My Search for the Perfect Pizza, and his latest, Perfect Pan Pizza. Number 1. Use a scale to measure your flour. While using measuring spoons and cups will certainly work, the use of a scale allows for more accuracy. You want your dough to be consistent, and the only way to do this is by using a scale. This is the method professional bakers and pizza makers use for all of their products. The small price you pay will give you a much better pizza dough every time. Number 2. Use oil instead of flour when mixing your dough. When your dough is ready to be mixed, putting a tablespoon of oil on your mixing surface will solve the problem of a sticky dough. You can also wet your hands to avoid this problem. While many purists do not use any oil in their dough, Peter contends this will allow your dough to be handled more easily and give better flavor. Number 3. Allow your dough to relax while kneading. He suggests using the stretch and fold method, where the dough is stretched and folded over itself. Then, give the dough a break for about 5 minutes and do this again. Do these stretch and folds 3 or 4 times and the gluten will be given time to develop. Taking breaks of 5 minutes will really help. You don't have to constantly mix your dough. Number 4. Peter recommends using instant yeast instead of active dry yeast. Instant yeast dissolves more quickly in water, and this is a big time saver. And as Peter explained to me, you only need to use a small amount of yeast. Finally, use a cold ferment method. Once you mix your dough, put your dough in the fridge for 24 hours or longer to allow the flavors of the dough to develop. You can do a cold ferment for 24 to 72 hours or a little bit longer. This method will really improve the results and put you on the path to pizza perfection. Thank you, Food Network, for this great article, and Peter, thank you for your great dough tips. I'll link the article as well as all other resources mentioned below. While you're here, please show a little pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.